believed a superstition that to this day we don't know to be true. That the angel would come down, stir the water, and the first person in got healed. Look at how crude this is. They are at the pool called Bethesda. Put this in your notes. Bethesda means house of mercy. How are you acting merciless at a house of mercy? How you don't have no grace for who finished second at the house of grace? That's why you got to be careful that you ain't just shouting "We are Rock City," but acting antithetical to who God called us to be. That's why sometimes you got to remove certain people from your life. It's not that they are a sin to be around, but how they act without you makes it look like you ain't what God called you. He said Bethesda. Bethesda is the house of grace. But look at this superstition. Whoever jumps in the water first gets healed. Look at this spirit of competition. Look at this spirit of jealousy. Nowhere in the Bible do we see where it actually worked. It is a superstition. It is a superstition, okay? I want to give you a fact that I learned yesterday, okay? Did you know that if you sleep for 4 hours 3 times a day, if you take a 2-hour nap, another 2-hour nap, then after you get off work, take a 4-hour nap, get up, be productive, and then right in the middle of the night, take another 4-hour nap, it optimizes your brain cells so you can operate at high levels. Who knew that? I just made it up. That's how silly the church is now. Just because somebody says something with conviction, now you sitting there like, oh my God. And some of y'all gonna go to hell believing superstition over scripture. Michael, that's why you gotta get to a place in your life where you don't know what mama told you. You got a relationship with God